first begin by setting up a simple development environment. I'm going to be using Atom, so if you don't have that and you require a code editor, then just open up a browser, search atom.io, and follow along with the instructions to download and install. I'll open up Atom and I'll open File Explorer and navigate to Documents or wherever you wish to store your code. I'm just going to call this Setup. I'll hit enter to create that. I'll go back to Atom, hit Open Folder, navigate to the directory where we just created our new folder, select it and select Open Folder. From here we can right click on our setup folder and create a new file. I'm going to call this index.html. In Atom I can just begin writing an opening tag for a HTML document and then press tab. That will give me all of this code. If that's not working for you, just type out what you see displayed here. Within the body tag, I'll create a heading 2 tag and just write my first JavaScript. I'll save that. Back in File Explorer, we can see our index.html is displaying here, so we'll open a browser. I'm going to use Chrome for the browser, and I'll just drag that in there, and now we've got the h2 tag displaying. We can also get rid of that bracket which was displaying here. Save that and refresh. In order to connect our JavaScript code to our HTML document, we can create a script tag and we can begin writing our JavaScript here. Here I'm just going to type alert and alert successful. I'll save this, go back to our browser and refresh, and we have an alert which indicates that our JavaScript is running. I'll just hit OK and then our HTML is displayed. Back in Atom, I'm going to get rid of this because I want to create a new file which I'll call script.js. This will be where we store all of our JavaScript code, but we have to first link it within our HTML document, which we can do by within our script tag. Just typing src for source and then specifying the file. As script.js is located within the same folder as our index.html, all we have to do is type the name of it and it'll be found. I'll save this, go to our script.js and I'll type alert and then in script.js, save that, make sure index.html is saved, and then refresh, and the JavaScript is loading from script.js and being transferred to index.html, so that's all working correctly. This is just a simple setup so we can get started on our tutorials. Next up will be variables and primitive types, and we'll get started with that in the next video.